This time of year, it could be a little bit cold and snowy outside, but it is nice and warm here in the greenhouse. And thanks to some supplemental lighting, it's even sunny. Here we have some beautiful pansies that'll be shipping out in the next couple weeks. If you've ever grown canna lilies, they get their start from seed, and each one of these trays has 144 seedlings in it. And you can see the bronze leaf here in the front and the green leaf there in the back. The last time we were out in this section of the greenhouse, the floor behind me was covered with fern hanging baskets. And now you can see those have been moved to hanging positions in the ceiling and also between the bays. But here in the greenhouse, we now have begonia seedlings. So each square area that you see behind me right here is 50 trays. And I just did some quick math, and in this half of the greenhouse, we have right around 16,000 plug trays. And if we take our average tray size and multiply that out, that's right around 5 million seedlings that we have growing just in this half of this greenhouse. So you can divide that by 2, and then we have another 10 acres or so out front that we're starting to fill up. And also, kind of cool, this whole section right here in this half of the greenhouse, it's all begonias. So let's take a closer look at some of the seedlings. So this begonia variety is Prelude Plus White. It's a bedding begonia. And I'm going to point so you get my finger for a sense of scale, but right there we can see the leaves of a little begonia seedling. And let's zoom in on it. So these are little teeny tiny seedlings. So here we have the exact same variety of begonias, but these are ready to ship out. So these will be heading out the door to another greenhouse or garden center to be transplanted and grown to a finished size. If you want to be kept up to date with spring crops like these begonias, head over to our website at bobsmarket.com, where you can find links to our social media and helpful blog posts, recipes, and more.